Welcome to IMAGO Tutorials. This tutorial shows how to get access to the VisionSensor PV, which is connected to the local network infrastructure, from a Windows-based PC. If your PC is based on Linux or your device has a direct connection to your PC, please visit our channel for the corresponding tutorial, or check the links below. By default, all devices in a local network are assigned a dynamic IP address by the running DHCP server. To establish a connection to the vision sensor, we first need to find out its DHCP-assigned IP address. We recommend using the IMAGO VibFinder program, available online on our IMAGO download portal. You can access the download portal through the link in the description below. The IMAGO VibFinder shows a list of all IMAGO devices connected to the local network infrastructure with their corresponding IP addresses. After booting the vision sensor, it may take a couple of seconds before it appears in the VibFinder's list. Open device properties by double-clicking on the wanted device and copy the discovered IP address with Ctrl key and C. In this tutorial, we use MobiXterm to establish an SSH connection to the vision sensor. This enhanced terminal for Windows includes several useful functionalities, which will be useful later. Create a new SSH session by clicking on New Session. Then paste the vision sensor's IP address to the remote host field with Ctrl key and V and enter the username root. After confirming all settings with OK, the SSH connection should be established and you will be prompted to enter the password. Type the default password Vision to log in. The VisionSensor PV is equipped with a Debian GNU Linux 9 stretch operating system, giving access to all Linux functionalities and support. IMAGO releases the OS as a completely pre-configured image. After successful login, we recommend changing the password by typing the command passwd and following the prompted instructions. To ensure having the latest Linux package list, run apt-get update once. Please make sure that the vision sensor is connected to the internet. If necessary, subsequently run apt-get upgrade to upgrade all installed packages to their latest available versions. The network interface of the vision sensor is set to DHCP by default, which means the vision sensor may have a different IP address every time it is turned on and connected to the local network. It's possible to change this behavior and assign the vision sensor a static IP address instead. Use your favorite terminal-based text editor like Vim to edit the network configuration file located in /etc/network/interfaces. Alternatively, if you prefer mouse-based text editor, you can exploit the convenient MobiXterm SFTP browser on the left. Move to the configuration file folder using CD. Make sure the SFTP browser follows the terminal folder, right-click on the interfaces file and open it with a default mouse-based text editor. Now, to assign a static IP address to the vision sensor, comment out the highlighted text lines that make use of DHCP and write, or uncomment in our case, the 5 lines relative to the static IP address. In this example, we choose a static IP address ending with 111. Press Save to store the changes and confirm replacing the remote file. This change will take effect at the next booting time. Let's test the IP address assignment immediately. Reboot the vision sensor by typing reboot. The SSH connection will close automatically. While waiting for the vision sensor to reboot, open the VibFinder once more and wait for the device to reappear. Notice that the newly discovered IP address of the vision sensor reflects the one we just set in the network configuration file. Establish once more an SSH connection to the vision sensor's IP address using MobiXterm. Create a new SSH session as before by pasting the new IP address in the remote host field. When prompted, type in the new password. From this time on, the VisionSensor will always be assigned to the same IP address ending with 111, so optionally you may want to remove the snmpd daemon. This service provides some information about the VisionSensor and the local network, required to get the IP address of the VisionSensor via IMAGO VIPFinder for the first login via SSH. To remove this service, type apt-get purge snmpd without the hashtag. To conclude this tutorial, shut down the newly configured VisionSensor by typing shutdown now. The SSH connection will be automatically disconnected. In this tutorial, we have established a first connection to the VisionSensor via SSH from a Windows PC. We have shown how to discover the DHCP assigned IP address of the device and how to connect to it, as well as changing some basic system configurations. To see more video tutorials, check out our channel. Thank you for watching.